In this last lesson, in this wee section, we're going to look at how to complete the square when there's a negative coefficient. So it says here, express 8 take away 2x minus x squared in the form c subtract x plus b all squared. So the first thing I'm going to do here, which I've already done, is rearrange it to negative x squared take away 2x plus 8. Much easier to deal with in this format. Now, as before in the last lesson, I'm going to look at these two parts here, and I'm going to take out a common factor of negative 1. So if I take a common factor of negative 1 from here, I get a negative in front of the brackets, x squared, and the middle of the bracket is going to have to be a plus 2x, because negative times plus 2x will give you the negative here. Then put your plus 8 in. I'm then going to look at how to complete the square with this bit here. So I'm going to leave my negative multiplier at the front. I'm going to open up square brackets, and it's going to be x plus 1 squared in the brackets. That generates an extra plus 1. Take it away and close your square brackets. Then I've got my plus 8 at the end. So I've completed the square with this bit inside the brackets to get this here. Up here has been multiplied by negative 1. This has all been multiplied by negative 1. The 8 is not. Okay, what do we do next? Well, everything in the bracket must now be multiplied out by negative 1. So negative x plus 1 squared, negative 1 times negative 1 is plus 1, and then your plus 8. Simplify that, and then put it in this format here. C subtract x plus b squared. So that's going to be 9 take away x plus 1 squared. Okay, let's look at another example here. Express 11 take away 4x take away 2x squared in the form c subtract a bracket 8x plus b squared. Like last time, rearrange it. Put your negative 2x squared first, then take away 4x and a plus 11 at the end. Look at your first two terms here. Take out a common factor. In this case, we can take a common factor of negative 2 out. So negative 2 times x squared will give you this first bit. And if you multiply that by plus 2x, you'll get the negative 4. Negative 2x times plus 2x is negative 4x. Then your plus 11. So as before, we want to complete the square with this part here, leaving our negative 2 out the front and open up square brackets. That's going to be x plus 1 squared. That's going to generate an extra plus 1. Take it away and close your square brackets. Then put your plus 11. So completed the square with this bit to get that there inside your square brackets. All that's been multiplied by minus 2. All this has been multiplied by minus 2. Okay, multiply it through. So negative 2 times the first bit and negative 2 times the second bit. That's going to give negative 2x plus 1 squared plus 2. Just watch, negative 2 times negative 1 is a plus 2. Then add your 11 at the end. Sort that out to get plus 13. Then rearrange it to this form here. 13 subtract 2x plus 1 squared.